What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be answering a question that I've had for quite some time now, and I'm sure if you watch any car video, you've had this question yourself. Today we're going to be reviewing Factor 4 by Rustoleum synthetic wax system. Now I picked this up for about 20 bucks, $21 or so at Walmart yesterday. Not too bad. We're going to figure out if it's actually worth it or not though today. And now, as I was saying, I watch a lot of car videos on YouTube, and literally probably I see an ad for this stuff 7 times a day for the past month or so, and I figured, you know what, let's see if it's actually worth it or not. So yeah, it comes with complete single-use kit. Well, if it only works one time, that's kind of disappointing, but I mean, if it actually works as good as it says it does, that would be awesome, because it says protects for up to 3 years, dust and dirt repellency. That will be put to the ultimate test. It's literally impossible to keep my car clean because I have to drive up a mile-long dirt road every day to get home. So we will be putting the dust and dirt repellency to the ultimate test. Without further ado, let's see how this shit works. Step 1, wash. Let's go ahead and wash this puppy. So we need about a gallon of water. Shake well, pour entire bottle of deep cleaning wash into a gallon of water. Let's go ahead and get the deep cleaning wash out. See what we're working with. The entire bottle of deep cleaning. Well, this is everything it comes with, first off. Got ourselves a pretty nice looking sponge there. Instant detailer. Hell yeah. Then we got the synthetic wax. Set that right there. Then we have the concentrated wash. So I guess let's go ahead and shake her on up and pour the bottle in there. My arm just threw out a socket. There we go. All right. Alrighty, we got the soap all mixed up. Let's go ahead and get to washing. Now, I already know what the comments are going to look like. Why the hell are you leaving the soap on the car instead of washing it off? Well, if you read the instructions right here, it says leave wash on the vehicle's paint for approximately 15 minutes. So yeah, that's why I'm not washing it off yet, for about 15 minutes anyway. All right, now let's wash her off. Now we got to dry the vehicle up. Gonna use the included microfiber rag. Alrighty, step 1 is now completed. Now we are on to step 2, wax. In the shade, apply several small dabs of synthetic wax to the included applicator pad. We got a bit of an issue here with step 2. Step 2 says in the shade, but as you can see, I'm right here under the mother frickin' sun, bright as it can be right here. I have no shade, unfortunately. We're gonna have to do things a little bit differently and hope it still works out good. It says apply several small dabs to this pad and then get to scrubbing basically. Go ahead and pop this stuff. There's that. Oh, I don't think that was supposed to happen. It just kind of exploded and went everywhere, and I'm assuming probably because it's a million degrees out here, but yeah, that's probably not considered a small dab. That's a big old load of wax right there, man. There's a dab. I mean, there's a dab. And there's a dab, I guess. I mean, hopefully this isn't too much. Let's get to waxing it. The wax will tell you when it's time to remove by changing from white to hazy. I'm feeling the burn. I've been waxing this shit on and off for the past 45 minutes. My arm is about to fall off. It is 1,000,000 degrees out here. But it says to remove it when it's turning hazy white like this. I don't know how well you can see it, but I can definitely see the hazy white. So let's go ahead and get to wiping it off. And it said we're supposed to use the microfiber towel that it came with, and I definitely didn't use that to dry it, so hopefully that won't affect anything either. All right, man, we just got done cleaning off the wax. I feel like I just ran 5 miles. It's about 100 degrees out here, and man, I was waxing off and waxing off harder than I ever have. It looks like I got done just in time because it looks like the sky's about to take a big old shit, and hopefully all this work won't be for nothing. But like, seriously, that stuff is definitely worth it. I don't know how well the camera's picking it up, but my car is glistening under the mother freaking sun like it has never done before, baby. Factor 4 by Rustoleum, it's worth it in my opinion, man. This baby is glistening under the sun right now, looking better than ever. And yeah, I mean, you do this once a month or so and your car will probably be spotless forever. But the real test is gonna come when I start going up and down the driveway in the super dusty, crappy dirt hill. Basically, we'll see how it holds up against that. But I mean, man, it looks good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Peace out. I will see you guys in the next one.